A Swagbucks coupon code usually fails because it has expired, is restricted to certain accounts, was entered incorrectly, or no longer qualifies under the promotion's terms. By the end, you'll know how to pinpoint the problem and which fixes are most likely to get your code accepted. Start by checking the code carefully. Copy and paste it whenever possible, instead of typing it manually. Extra spaces, incorrect capitalization, or confusing similar-looking characters can all trigger an invalid code message. Next, verify that the promotion is still active. Swagbucks regularly runs limited-time promotions through emails, partner websites, social media campaigns, and special events. If you're using an older code, there's a good chance the redemption period has already ended. Now, check whether the code is tied to a specific type of account. Some Swagbucks promotions are available only to new members, while others require an existing account that meets certain eligibility requirements. If you've already redeemed a similar offer, the system may prevent the same promotion from being applied again. Another thing to confirm is where you're entering the code. Some promotional offers are redeemed through the Swagbucks website, while others are intended for the mobile app or a specific rewards page. Entering the code in the wrong location can make it appear invalid, even when it's still active. If everything looks correct, update the Swagbucks app if you're using one. Open your device's App Store, install any available updates, then completely close and reopen the app before trying again. If you're using a browser, refresh the page, or try another browser to rule out a temporary issue. You should also check whether your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can interrupt the verification process and prevent promotional codes from being processed correctly. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data is a quick way to test whether the problem is network-related. If the code still won't work, sign out of your Swagbucks account, sign back in, and try redeeming it again. This refreshes your account session and can resolve temporary account synchronization problems. When none of these steps fixes the issue, contact Swagbucks support. Include the exact coupon code where you received it, when you attempted to redeem it, and a screenshot of any error message. Those details help support verify whether the promotion is still valid or whether there's an account-specific issue. To summarize, confirm the code is entered correctly, check that the promotion is still active, verify you're eligible, update the app or browser, and contact support if the problem continues. If this guide helped you solve the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Swagbucks tips, fixes, and troubleshooting guides.